Hi friends, welcome to IT Port. In this session we are going to see about DDL triggers in SQL Server. DDL triggers are a special kind of trigger that fire in response to data definition language based DDL statements. They can be used to perform administrative tasks in the database such as auditing and predicting database operations. And DDL triggers, like regular triggers, fire stored procedures in response to an event. However, unlike DML triggers, they do not fire in response to update, insert or delete statements on a table or view. Instead, they fire in response to a variety of data definition language events. These events primarily correspond to Transact-SQL statements that start with the keywords create, alter, drop. Certain system procedures that perform DDL-like operations can also fire DDL triggers. And there are a lot of DDL events available in SQL Server. We can make a trigger for create table or view, create procedure, create statistics, create symmetric, and create trigger. We can create trigger for the create trigger event and create service with both of alter and drop events. Let us check with the simplest example for this. We are going to create trigger DDL trigger for table on database for create table. This is a syntax. See, here first of all we should know the event data. See, select event data. This is like a magic tables. This event data contains the data based on the triggers, what are the event types, and what are the SQL commands are passed in this scope, and the time, and the server name, and the username, and schema. So it contains the complete data. See, the create trigger created. Just going to create one table, test integer. So within this trigger, this is a trigger syntax, create trigger and trigger name on database. This is for DDL trigger. In DML trigger, we create with an table name here, table name or view name for create table. This is the event type. Event type, there are lot of event types in SQL Server. So within this trigger, just want to select the event data. So just I want to create a table. Table already exists. So just drop and create a table, the event fire, and the trigger will return the event data. So this event data property just save it to XML. Just I want to open with XML edit. So it contains the detail of the event type. So create table and the event post time at this, and the session ID and server name, login name, username, database name, schema and object type, and the command text. This is a SQL command what we are used it. So this event data contains the list of XML nodes. So using this event data, we can store with the event log tables. See, just I want to create table that is event log, identity and event type, what are occur, and SQL command, and host name. So just create this event log. So if we want to maintain that log for what are the events are occurred in the database, and we wants to maintain as a table, maintaining a table that all event logs. See, so here just insert that into that event log tables with the values of event type, SQL command, and host name. So here we select the event type using this event data. Select event data. These are the case sensitive values of the same. This is the case sensitive, so give like this event underscore instance and event type. And this is the syntax, the output of end worker of 255 and fetch with SQL command, SQL command, case sensitive, so we should give like this. And host name. So just we alter the trigger with the script to store the event to the event log table. So just I got the test table and create again. That was stored to the event log table. So the event log table contains the event type and the SQL statement from the host name, and we can maintain the relevant data. What are the available nodes in the event data? We can store the session ID and server name. We can use the same table to monitor the number of databases. And the host name. So just if we want to create a trigger for alter table, the same trigger alter table. See, just alter the test table to column number as everything is. Select the event log. There is a second event alter table and the alters command. So these are the DDL triggers. So DDL triggers based on the DDL events. All DDL events, there are a lot of DDL events available in SQL Server. Using this DDL triggers, we can monitor and we can achieve the events, what are the events are occurred in the database and server level, and we can maintain the data based on the table views, procedures. So these are the DDL triggers. And these topics will be very useful to you. If you like this session, please like and subscribe. Thank you, friends.